If translations are missing in your Shopify store, it could affect customer experience, especially for international buyers. Here's how to fix missing translations. Check Shopify language settings. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Languages. Ensure that the correct languages are enabled for your store. If the language you need is not listed, click Add Language, select the desired language, and click Save. Ensure theme translation. Some theme content might not be automatically translated. Go to Online Store, Themes, then click Actions, Edit Languages. Manually translate any missing content under sections like General, Products, or Cart. Check App Translations. If you're using third-party apps, their translations might not automatically sync with your store. Check each app's settings for language options or manual translation features. Some apps allow you to add translations directly within their settings. Use Shopify's translation features. For stores that need multiple language support, you can use Shopify Markets or a translation app like Langify or Weglot to manage and automate translations. Test your store. After making changes, test the translations on the storefront by switching languages in the language selector.